Welcome to my channel, Living Linux. On one of my videos I got the comment that someone wrote the Manjaro image to an SD card and it wouldn't boot up. And to be honest, this is something that I also noticed myself with one of my micro SD cards. So here you see I have Manjaro booted up from the micro SD, and I'm going to overwrite the image again. And so far, with new micro SD cards, I never saw the problem, but when I started overwriting one of the existing images, that's when I noticed the problem. So here you can see I'm ejecting the micro SD card. I'm going to boot into default Debian. And we're booted up. I'm inserting the micro SD card again. Here it is. And I already prepared the command to write the image. And this time I also found out that you can have some sort of progress. So when you add status is progress at the end, it will tell you how many megabytes it is writing. So in this case, we'll start writing the image. Oh, yep. I'm not in the correct directory. Now I am. And here you see that it reports how many megabytes have been written, at what speed. And since we know the image is around 5.5 gigabytes, I'll stop the video here and will return once it's finished. And we're back. So no errors reported. At this point you would expect that when you reboot, it will boot into Manjaro. And we're going to restart. And now you will see that the LED will start blinking orange or red, and there's something wrong with the image. So we're going to remove the micro SD card for now. I'm going to restart again. Well, at least if it lets me. Okay. Here we go. I'm going to boot again into the default Debian image, and we're going to try to repair the image or on the micro SD card with GParted. Okay, we're back again, and now it also says it's not able to mount the micro SD card. But like I said, we can start GParted. And apparently it needs elevated rights, similar to sudo. And it's already on the micro SD card. And here you see that there is an exclamation mark. So if we click here and we do right mouse button and we'll do check and repair file system, one operation pending, and then we'll say with edits and then apply all operations. Yes, we want to apply. And now it's done. And now the exclamation mark is gone. And we're going to reboot again. And here you see that it starts booting into Manjaro. Like I said before, so far I haven't seen this happening when I do a first writing of the image on a new micro SD card. And at the moment with this micro SD card, when I overwrite an existing image, I need to fix it with GParted, but after that everything just works. So if anyone ever experiences that the micro SD card doesn't want to boot, you can try to fix it with GParted. That's all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.